Ever wonder why your phone is sleek aluminum, while a bridge is sturdy steel? It all comes down to metallurgy, the science of metals. Today, we are diving into this fascinating field, exploring how we transform raw materials into the metals we rely on every day. Metallurgy begins with ore extraction. We heat these ores, often with chemical reactions, to separate the desired metal. For example, iron ore is reduced with carbon in a blast furnace to produce iron, the base for steel. Alloying, mixing metals, is key. Adding carbon to iron creates steel, dramatically increasing its strength. Heat treatment is another crucial process. By carefully controlling temperature and cooling rates, metallurgists can alter a metal's properties. Did you know that quenching steel rapidly cooling it makes it harder? This is why swords and tools are often heat-treated for optimal performance. Metallurgy is a blend of chemistry, physics, and engineering. It's the science behind everything from the tiny microchips in our devices to the massive structures that shape our world. Understanding metals is essential for innovation. So, metallurgy is more than just working with metals. It's about understanding their behavior and manipulating them to meet our needs. If you found this fascinating, give this video a like and subscribe for more science explorations.